The Little Blue Truck, written by Alice Schilt and illustrated by Jill McElmry. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sound you ever heard. Let's turn the page. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, oink said a piggy, beep, said Blue. You want to turn the page? Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said peep. Ma, said a goat. Blue said beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the little friendly blue truck. Uh-oh. Honk, yelled a dump truck coming through. I've got big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck. Where's the duck? Where's the duck? Along the way. Vroom went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared. But nobody heard or nobody cared. Here, let's turn the page, Sissy. Uh-oh. Here we go. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, 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 cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. You want to hold it? Okay. Here, sign our animals. There's the cow and the pig and the sheep. You see them in there? Okay. On the page. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. You gonna push the truck? Where's the truck? There it is. See Blue? Here's Blue. See Blue? See the Blue? Here. Huh? You see Blue? You want to hold Blue? Here, you can hold Blue. Here you go. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? Oh no, where's Toad? Where's our toad at? What? Whoa. Did we lose our toad? Oh no. Where's Toad? Where's Toad? Oh goodness. All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, bah, moo, cluck, beep, neigh, croak, meh. Beep, beep, beep. Did you like that? What happened to Toad? Where did Toad go? Oh, there's your duck. Quack. There's your cow. How's the cow go? There's your pig. Oink, 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 oink. Let's see. Where's Toad? find our Toad. Where's our friend Toad? Let's see. Where's our friend Toad? Where did he go? Oh, there's our pig. Where did Toad go? Toad! There's our other Blue. Where's Toad? What happened to Toad? Oh no. Is he stuck to your pants? Is he stuck to my pants? Okay. Well, Toad must have just hopped on the blue truck. You got the blue truck? Is that Blue? Blue.